Hey guys, I'm going to unbox this Chenango Inflatable Tandem Kayak. Let's first open up the box. This comes with the heavy box. Okay, this is the box, and looks like it's here.
This is alright.
Let's give this a while. Wait, Kendra. The pins.
And here's the pumper. And converting to how to get this out. You guys have to ask. Oh, here's that. That's so cool. It
Looks like a pump.
Yeah, like a pop. Like a poppet. Look at that fire color.
Yeah, it definitely is a pump. Keep it here for a while. These are the side handles.
And this is the pumper, the heavy pumper.
Again, the cup holders.
Yeah, and here's the pumper by hiding space secret.
So this is the real thing.
Like a perfect truck. It doesn't. Yeah, because boats are very long. And I wish it could be.
Here. Give me the pump. Now the real thing is here.
It's a heavy for me. I got today.
Okay, that's how I'm going to job now. I need to find the right one. This should work. Okay. So 2 chambers are done. We have the final one. So it took us time to figure out this inflation and deflation procedure. So if you want to inflate, you use the upper one, the upper section, and if you want to deflate it, you have to use the round thing in the second round, or this second circle. You have to. Moving on to the 4th chamber. First you need to press this if you want to inflate it, and the spring will come up little bit up. How does this? You have to press this stem and then rotate 1/4, and this gonna come up like this. So you're ready to inflate in the floating chamber. So we are done with 2 main chambers. Done with the 2 main chambers. Now moving on to the floating chamber. Let's find the right valve. Okay. It's a good exercise, guys. So just done with the pumping. Almost ready. Goes here. Yeah, ke jन्छ ta ni? Seat. Let's install the seat. I'm going alone, so I'm keeping my seat in the middle. And these are the foot support. Foot support. I think this should go. Oh no, this should be like this.
Yeah, like that.
Kind of. So this can be adjustable like this. You can adjust. Now let's do this. Final touch on the seat.
I will get the different here.
Okay. Now. There you go. Now we are almost ready to hit the lake. We are not going to a big white water. We're just going on a lake to try this out. Just assemble everything, install everything. Almost ready to hit the lake and accept the fins. I mean, I think the fins should go at the end. Super tired, guys. It's time for lunch and then go for a kayak test. Yes. Okay. Let's pack this stuff now, guys. Let's detach the seat first. Divide this into half. It's okay.